Realistic rust, fast and effortless. Sounds impossible, right? But we'll make it happen using our basing pigments. Let's do this. Start by planning the layout of your bases. Glue your bits. Then trim and sand the edges. Apply texture paste. Finish this step with some diluted PVA glue and sprinkle some powder rocks on top. Prime your bases with a dark brown color and apply the base coats, focusing on the gray metallic dry brush. This is important as the color will show through in the end. Now for the pigments. Begin with light rust. As we'll use a fixer that tends to fade the pigments, adding a bigger amount might seem too much, but it's not. Next, add some red iron. This color mimics perfectly the most corroded areas. Finish the ground with some dry earth and green lichen pigments. Now use some pigment fixer to secure it all in place. You can find the recipe in the description. Lastly, paint the borders black and add some tufts and laser plants. We are finished. Thank you for watching. See you next video.